Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Margot Robbie's suit outfit on Dress to Impress. Now, don't look at the back because I needed that hair for like the curls in the front. So let's get started with the video. You do need VIP for this. For the outfit, for the hair, sorry, we're going to use this one in this color. I just used this one, I think. You know what, I'm going to just use this one. Then I use this in the same color. Position the Z at 0.71, rotate the X to 0.67. And then we are going to get this outfit and we're going to color it this pink. And I think I did light silk, and then the rest I did light silk in white. And then for the, oh my gosh, I deleted this scarf, sorry, I'll do it again. Select this in the same color in light silk. For this scarf, we're going to use this in this color in silk. And I'm just going to kind of adjust it a little bit like this. Just going to move it up a little. Looks something kind of like this. Grab this bag in on left hand. I think I might adjust the scarf a little bit more, I think. And then color it this color. Sorry, white first. And then this. And then I think I did this. And then this again. And then for the scarf, I'm just going to adjust it a little bit more. I think that's good enough. Then for the hat, we are going to use this one in white and in that same pink. And then we're going to grab these for the shoes. I think I used a different color pink. I think I might have used this one. I don't remember which pink I used. Hold on. Did I do this? I don't remember it being that pink. I think I might just move it to the right side a little. Might use this instead. Sorry. Just like trying to get the colors as close as possible. So, okay. And then lastly for the shoes, I'm just going to color it white. I know there's like a pink like end at the end. I don't know what it's called, but at the tip of the shoe. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.